September of 2021. Okay, so first thing is I'm going to demonstrate the beginning part all on the left foot. We do everything on the left foot or the right foot. We talked a little bit about our quality of movement and our posture. Having our feet in this V shape, standing upright, nice and tall. Our weight's not too far forwards or too far backwards, just kind of a little bit in the middle, tips slightly forwards. And then I'm always going to be coming back to this place. So I have my little tick-tock, 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 tick-tock. And I really want my pulse to be consistent through these steps rather than freezing. So my pulse is consistent in this tick-tock. Then I have my tick-tock step, which kind of mimics my hold. And sometimes I want to bring my hips with me in a little bit of a lilt. My upper body moves a little less than my lower body does. Same thing when I'm doing this side to side. I'm not physically stepping sideways. I'm more sweeping my body sideways. And then in our brush, we have our little step, 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 our shuffle. And I want this to think of my foot stepping, toe heel, and as I release, it's just a very gentle release. And I'm not digging into the floor so much that I want to kill the floor. It's just enough that I can float on top, or float right on the surface of the floor. Yeah. And again, I want to check that I have my feet in the correct position, so that I'm not ending up with my toes together. And there's different amounts we can open our feet up, and that really is based on what's comfortable for you, wherever your range of motion is comfortable. So we have 3 different styles of basics we're using, and we almost call them like Mama Bear, Papa Bear, Baby Bear. But it's more like a dial of like 1 to 10. We're kind of working on a scale of 3 to 10 in terms of our pulse. So we're thinking of our pulse going from like a step, step, hold, step, 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 hold, step. This is my 3. I still have a pulse. I keep my toes on the ground. I'm very slidey. Not fanning though, I'm just very slidey because my toes stay on the ground the whole time. Rather than picking up my feet, we have a trotting version where I'm picking up my feet a little bit more. And I'm staying a little bit more in place versus traveling. I'm a little more upright rather than lilting. Then we have just like a shag version, where I'm just sliding my feet behind me on my release, and then giving a little tap. Tap is optional. I think the tap is nice though. In the hold. So those counts will be, I'll go through the whole piece, all the pieces. Let's do this sideways. We could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my chill. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Versus 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm making a little bit more forward on that last one too. Okay, so those are our 3 different pieces. We can influence our partners to make a choice on which one we use, but ultimately we're going to match the amount of pulse our partner is making, so if they don't change with us, we have to just change back to what it was. This can come from influence of the leader or the follower. Okay, then we worked on fans. And in fans, we really want to think of this legs moving from the hip and the ankle, and all the pieces are wiggling. Our middle almost will eventually feel like we're wringing out like a sponge with the middle of our body, so your partner will feel some of that twisting. And then our fans, we just wanted to say, like, if I just start with my basic, and I add a little bit of fan. Right now I'm not focusing on my standing leg, I'm just focusing on the releasing leg. That would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's okay, but I really want the standing leg to have a little more action to it. And that's where I'm standing, and I have to add a little bit of rotation to the standing leg, almost like in trucking. So that's going to make it so I feel mobile to my partner rather than grounded down in the action. So moving that standing leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, or 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It's easy to rush this action, but really just take your time with the fan and the step. because it's a moment to enjoy. It's going to feel a little more like taffy, like nice and whooshy. Yeah. Then we added a version that has a little bit of a lilt, so I actually end up on my heels a lot more. You're going on that heel, it's going to really change, and it's going to feel extra twisty. And I don't want to go into it right away. I want to ease into that action so that I'm not demanding my partner to change everything all at once. So I'll start with the basic fans that go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add a little lilt. 1, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my weight has to change as I take those steps back into the steps. It's really hard to do so much. Your weight is literally on your heels. You can pick up your heel more, but I tend to just kind of put the weight on the heel and my toe and toe and open up a little bit more on that moment. And then we did a little kick variation where we practiced also just our fanning leg, staying like a little tick-tock action. And that tick-tock action is happening on the 5, 6, 7, 8 for followers, or the 1, 2, 3, 4 for leaders. So that would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, hold, step, tick-tock, and step, step, hold, step, tick-tock, and step. And then with the leg, we're going to think of this brush and then a little kick step. A little brush and a little kick step. And a little brush and a little kick step. And that's one way you can kind of like really like make this really floaty. You can make your spine like however you want it to be, but to make this feel more like Balboa than Charleston, I want to keep my knees a little bit closer together rather than like really kicking out. Here's what it looks like with the full piece there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's what that look goes. Eventually you can kind of think of this as like traveling somewhere, and if you move, there's somewhere your partner is going. And then the very last thing we did was some circle slides, and we used some chairs to practice the shape and the energy. We said, okay, this is your little bonus. Take this home and practice. Use a chair to get low versus out. Low and close. So I can take this and slide around. And so I can take this and slide around. So making a big circle. And then eventually I could think of taking that away, and I would have this as a start with my right leg front, my left leg goes out, in, around. In, out, and back. And that prevents us from actually sliding straight forward and back. And then eventually my circle slide comes around. And comes around.
Lainey, can you show us that
with the lollies? Yeah, does someone want to dance lollies with me? Because I'll do the, yeah, come on in, Andrew. And I'll show the circle slide to me. For me, the easiest place I put it in there is in lollies. Other options too. I think this is from the lolly. Tap and step and tap and step, plant and round, tap, step, tap and step and plant and round. So my partner's actually kind of helping me around. And same thing for leaders, you just do it on, instead of a tap, you plant your foot. And it goes there. And then the key is your partner, regardless of which partner is doing the circle slide, the partner doing lollies have to keep doing lollies. Otherwise it falls apart. Thank you all, everyone.